Hello guys, good morning. So today is a Sunday and we're gonna do something I wanted to do siguro like a year ago. Pero hindi ko nagawa kasi because my dad uses this car also. So this is the Audi. And of course, my dad being senior na and sometimes he doesn't have a hard time driving the car, but he has a hard time parking sometimes pag hindi niya nakikita yung curb. So, ito guys, yung rims, we're gonna fix it later. So, we're gonna go all the way to Sukat para sa atin yung curb rash. So, I'll show you all the formats. So, we're gonna replace, well actually we're gonna fix it. Ang maganda sa shop sa Ramils, they will basically clean this up, then repaint it. Without really repainting the whole rims. Kasi gusto ko original pa rin yung rims natin. Diba? So, yan ang gusto ko sa Ramils. And, I'll let you know how much it will cost later. So, all 4 rims guys. 4 yan. So even that, see? So it's curb rash talaga. Yun yan. So basically, I'll do it on a Sunday para walang traffic. It's all the way in Sukat in a village. He does these things in the house lang. He did my Honda Civic RS, yung gray ko. If you watch my channel, you know that I had a 2024 Civic RS na gray. Nagasgas yung mags nun. Isa lang naman yun. And I had it done there. And he did a good job. And it was quick naman. For this, for 4 rims, baka it will take a couple of hours. But we'll see. So anyway, I'll show you where the shop is. And let's see the results later. So, it will kind of look like this. Ito kasi konti lang yung curb rash yan. Dito lang eh. Pero yung dalawa talaga may damage talaga. Ito medyo slight lang. Hello guys, so we're here na dito sa Sukat. It's in Sandville, I think. Yeah, Sandville. So it's a very small road as you could see. Dito sa Sukat, Parañaque. So dito ako nagpagawa ng gutter marks mags ko nung, I think that was 2 years ago, 2024 guys. Yung Civic RS. And he did a good job guys. Black pa yung rims na yan. He only painted the gutter mark area, pinolished siya, made it smooth again, then he repainted it. And turned out well. Nagpantay naman siya dun sa the rest of the mags. Yun. So anyway, let's gawin na natin to. And we'll show you pag na-remove niya and how it looks like in a bit. So I'll see you later guys. Hey guys, so just got home after 4 hours guys. So basically 4 hours it took to basically ayusin lahat ng gutter marks and scratches. Meron din lampas sa gutter mark area, sa side meron din mga konting scratches. He did a really good job. I'm gonna post his Facebook page, so if you're interested, please do message him before you go. By appointment siya guys, kasi ang daming niyang mugs na ginagawa actually. Based on the video, makita mo naman. But it costs 5,000 pesos. For the normal gutter marks guys this wala tong crack or anything. Gutter marks lang talaga. So he charges 5,000 for 4 rims, which I think is very reasonable. Kasi of course I compared them to other shops. Kasi yung other shops, they really repaint the whole rim. So mas mahal talaga yun. But this one, gutter mark area. And pantay naman guys. Wala naman issues at all. It looks like OEM basically, diba? So I'm very happy for 5,000. Can't go wrong. Because iniisip ko, eventually, maybe in a couple of months or a year, hopefully not, magagasgas at magagasgas. I did put a guard guys. Ito, pakita ko. And di pa naman natatanggal. Thank God. Ito guys. So meron siyang itong black. Very light. So ano lang, mabibili mo lang sa Lazada. Yan. So hopefully it does protect. But feeling ko, if it does, very konti lang talaga. Dito lang sa edge hindi nga halata. Yan. So now the rims look like new. I'm very happy. Yan. Dito, mura lang to guys. You can get that in Lazada or Shopee. Yan. So may 3M sticker siya, dumidikit. Yan. Hanggang dito lang, tapos putulin mo using a scissor. So yan. I'm very happy with it. And hopefully hindi magasgas. And yes, so I'll put this page, just private message him before you go. So may sukat to. And yeah, I'll see you on my next vlog. Always take care. Hopefully, pagdating na ng Tesla, then we can do a lot of vlogs with the Tesla. Okay? Take care guys.